Hi there, and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So when you're talking to prospects, you're talking to your clients, think about, saying the real and connecting thing versus simply the standard, which can be kind of a distancing thing, kind of professional, but it doesn't really create so much connection. What do I mean? Well, let's say, for example, that you're out trying to bid on a job. You might say, thank you, we have all the information, I'll get back to you, here's your proposal, and I think we'll do a good job. Well, that's pretty much standard, but it doesn't really connect you to the client. Think about sharing some of your real strong feelings about what you'd like as far as this project. You might say, Steve, by the way, I want to tell you something. When I get back to the office with this information, I'm going to really put together an excellent plan, and I'm going to put a sharp pencil to it because I definitely want to clean this job for you. This is exactly the kind of building that we do. In fact, we have a handful of examples just like this, and the relationship we have with them is terrific because our folks really know how to clean it. I'd love to get this job. It's just sharing a little bit more of an authentic thing about maybe this is something, it's the kind of building you love cleaning. And when you're sharing that with them, they can connect with you. Let's say it's a complaint and you have a customer problem, a complaint about cleaning. You could say, well, I'm sorry, we had this problem and I apologize. Or you might want to say something a little bit more authentic that connects to the person, sharing with them, listen, Alice, you let me know about this lunchroom. And sure, I was able to come out and I realized it wasn't clean and I fixed it this morning. But I know that didn't do it all. I mean, I really dropped the ball. And I know it caused you embarrassment because you had some visitors today and here the lunchroom looked like that as you went through. I am very sorry. I'm glad I was able to get out right away, maybe even before, maybe before they even came, but that's not the point. And by the way, Alice, it'll also be the topic of our managers meeting tonight. We're going to look into this to make sure that this doesn't happen again. Again, my personal apologies. Now, I don't mean to overdo this, but my point is whether it's selling, whether it's customer complaints, just saying the standard business thing sometimes is okay, but it doesn't really make the customer or the prospect feel connected to you in a very authentic way. So it can be helpful. Something to think about. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.